Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alaikum, dear students. Today we solve some MCQs of Pharmacy Technician subject Pharmaceutics, chapter number 5, Surface Tension. First MCQ is the force acting over the surface of liquid per unit length of the surface is called option A viscosity, option B density, option C surface tension, option D none. Answer is surface tension. Bile reduce the surface tension of dash in duodenum, which result in solubilization. Option A protein, option B carbohydrates, option C fats, option D all of them. Answer is fats. Surface tension dash with the increase in hydrogen bonding. Option A increasing, option B decrease, option C remains same, option D none. Answer is increase. Temperature increase cause dash in the surface tension. Option A increase, option B decrease, option C stability, option D none. Answer is decrease. Emulsifying agent reduce the surface tension of oil and water that result in stabilization of option A suspension, option B solution, option C emulsions, option D syrups. Answer is emulsions. Internal resistance of a molecule or any liquid to flow is called option A density, option B viscosity, option C surface tension, option D volume. Answer is viscosity. Viscosity enhance are used in dash to increase their viscosity to remain in eye for longer duration. Option A syrups, option B ophthalmic solution, option C injection, option D tablets. Answer is ophthalmic solution. Neutron carry dash charge. Option A positively, option B negatively, option C neutral, option D both A and B. Answer is neutral. Dash are used in sterilization of tools and equipment. Option A radiations, option B antibiotics, option C injections, option D none. Answer is radiations. Anions are dash charged. Option A negatively, option B positively, option C neutral, option D none. Answer is negatively. Some short cues. What is ionization and ionization energy? Second one, what is atom? Third one, define ions and what are types? Fourth one, application of viscosity measurements. Fifth, application of ionization radiation. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.